Hello everybody, welcome back to another tech guide. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix the camera on our Windows 11 laptop. So if your webcam is not working or showing errors, don't worry, we'll go through the steps one by one and get it running again smoothly. So first of all, you can check your privacy settings for that. You can go ahead and access your settings, click on this search, type in settings, and open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you'll be finding your settings available. You may just go over and look out for privacy and security tab. On your left hand side from the given menu, find it up and go ahead and click on it. After you reach over here, you can go ahead and look out for camera option under app permissions. This one right here, and go ahead and click it. After you click on it here, make sure camera access is turned on. So you can just go ahead and turn on this option. We have this toggle option. You can turn it on, click on it in order to turn it on. And also confirm that the apps you need, such as Zoom, Teams, camera app, etc. are also allowed. So let's say WhatsApp for video call, you can just go ahead and turn on this on and give access, allow the access for other applications as well, in which the camera are necessary. So this is one of the method available. Apart from that, you can restart the camera app. So you can open up the camera app, go to the search for camera. And here, you can just go ahead and open it up. And if you see a black screen or error, you can just go and close it up and again open it up. You can try it many times, just restarting should often clear the issue. Apart from that, you can update the camera driver. So you can go to device manager for that on your device. Go to the search in the bottom, search for device manager, and find it within your control here. So open it up and open up your device manager like this. Once you open up your device manager, you can go ahead and expand the camera / imaging devices. Here, find it up, this one right here, and go ahead and expand it up. Once you expand it up, you may just go ahead and right click on your webcam. After you right click on it, look out for update driver. And from update driver, look out for search automatically. After that, you can look out for search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And once you do so, that should update your device. If there is any Windows update available, you can click on this option called install and wait for the installation to be completed and restart your device, and that should help you fix the issue. If that doesn't work, what you can do is try uninstalling the device. Find the camera option within your device manager right here, right click on it and go over and find install option, and from there you can just go ahead and install the particular application, the webcam, camera drivers, and then restart your laptop to reinstall it. And apart from that, you can run the troubleshooter. You can go to settings for that. Open up your settings, hit Windows plus I. Go to system. And from system, you may just go over and find troubleshoot. After you go to troubleshoot, look out for other troubleshooters. And here, find camera. And you can just go ahead and click on run, this one right here. And it should detect the problem and fix your problems. Sometimes laptops even may have physical issues. So if the camera, it has some issues regarding camera switch button or privacy cover, or if your camera has been damaged, that should also harm your camera and it should not work on your device. So check it out and that should do it. If none of those methods work, the best option is to reinstall the official camera driver from your laptop's manufacturer support website. And that's all for today's tutorial. By following these steps, your Windows 11 webcam should be working properly again. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more fixes.